Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST RT Nagar. Today I am going to explain section tools. These tools I am explaining. For example, I am drawing the simple sketch. First we are going to select ISO. This is the 3D view of the object. For suppose I am converting to the top view by selecting the top option. This is for top view and this is for front view, and then this is the right view and this is the back view. This is the 3D view of the Google Sketchup. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.